Hi there. Here is the dashboard I'm planning to give you. Please let me know if this works well. Let me first go to the data sheet and I'll tell you what happens. So these columns I've actually created some formulas and basically you can go ahead and you can see these will automatically work based on the data. So when you copy paste the data once, like the bottom, like at the end of the thing, when you have like new data, just make sure you come here to the dashboard and click on the refresh button. So I actually forgot to go the refresh button. So this refresh button. So basic, and then your dashboards will automatically get updated. Um, so starting with the count, this is a very dynamic dashboard. And basically, it shows everything, and you can use these to go ahead and see what's needed and how and everything. For example, let's say you want to go ahead and see for a specific month, you can go ahead and see that. And at the moment, for June, we have like these months. And if you wanted to further drill down onto the week, you can click on that and see for a specific week and see how it looks. So again, so for 1 week, and again, you can go ahead and filter out for a specific person. You don't have, so it depends on which file you're going to see. If here you can see everybody, and for this one, month on month and everything, you can use the respective filters based on what is needed and everything. So, for example, let's say you want to remove all these things and look for this person, and in a specific year you can see how much he has actually had a trend here, and as well as this. So and then the average ticket price, and then when you kind of remove this will go back to the original state of how it is actually. So let's see. Yeah, it's just getting refreshed. All right. So that is pretty much how it is. So this one shows you the overall count, ticket count, and the selling price, and as well as this one is a month-on-month trend on the count, and as well as selling price on the month-on-month average ticket per sales, and as well as here. And all of these will slice based on what you select here. This should be used only for a month thing, and then the week and the month can be used for these things. So that is how it works. Let me know if this works. We'll see what we get. Okay, thank you.